is our collection, what we have so far, or at least hauled home. I'll get in the way of the camera. So this is the official count of all the vehicles that we have, and this includes 1 boat and 2 motorcycles. We're up to 67. Now I understand people say that all these won't be able to be restored in time. I was like, well, true, some of these may not be original. In fact, I don't think a lot of them will be original. So they'll be restored original to a certain extent and then modernized to a certain extent. That's the beauty about vehicles. I mean, you can put anything and everything in a car or a truck, pickup, I mean, wherever you prefer. So nothing's going to be quite original, and especially some of the dream cars that I have here and some of Tucker's, a lot of them aren't going to be original. So the road to 1,000 subscribers. It's not gonna lie, it's been very frustrating. People have even you know, wondered why we haven't hit that mark. It's like, well, I'll tell you why. We just haven't been posting up too much stuff of working on things because, you know, real life's getting in the way. Well, I have to repair a lot of the storm damage back there that I've neglected most of the year because other things have gotten in the way, and I'm finally getting around to it. Then I gotta extend the privacy fence out over this way and come up over here, a whole bunch of stuff. So things really are getting in the road. Once all this stuff is situated and organized, and I'll try to get away from a lot of these blog videos like this. So, but I really am making this video to ask everyone to please keep subscribing and really do help us reach 1,000 subscribers. It's kind of frustrating of how close you are and yet so far. Project cars of what I'm going to right now, well, it's definitely going to be the 73 Roadrunner. I'm going to work on that in next week and a half. It was going to be next week, but again, you know, I got to fix the fence and I got to do a whole bunch of stuff. I also got to move some vehicles around. But it's going to be the 73 Roadrunner. I got to get a system figured out so that way I can straighten the front frame, because the tree stump that we once had that we used a lot of stuff on, the straighten you know, car parts and things on, is pretty much rotten, and we tore it out, you know, last year. So I got to figure something out. Gonna be working on the 58 Fairlane. It's only right here for temporary storage right now because I'm organizing some other things over there so I can push it back over. I want to work on the Cyclone GT. That's a huge must that I want to do, but that may have to wait until later next year. I'll, of course, you know, go and grab the parts car and all the other stuff, but that might wait a little. When my funds do even out again for car parts, I want to find a rear end for the 58 Biscayne. Now I'll have no problem restoring that 58 Biscayne alongside the Ford 58 Ford Fairlane, you know, side by side. I have no problems with doing that, but I want to find a rear end so that way I can roll it around on its own, you know, on its own power, instead of just dragging it around like I almost did with the 73 Roadrunner. Gosh, there's just so much stuff to do, so many things to say. Before I do forget, I made a small little video on TikTok. Suddenly I have a huge fan base and a huge following about the 68 Galaxy XL Fastback over there. I'm kind of surprised by that. I do have plans on working on it next year, but of how things are actually falling into place even more, I might work on it even sooner, but it won't be small bits here and there. So I really want to work on vehicles. We want to work on vehicles, but real life keeps getting in the way. People don't understand this, and we still get cussed out and slandered for that. You know, it's like work on a car and upload a car video. It's like, yeah, you know, we're a car channel, you know, we deal with cars, you know. I don't understand, but people get nasty anyways. I don't listen to them, I don't listen to them anymore. I've gone through a lot of videos. Some people have actually spammed things, and I've deleted a lot of it, and it's kind of strange how grown adults get really nasty online. I don't understand that. And how some people try to put words into your mouth or text into your fingers and try to say one thing and then they insult you and everything, which I've actually even had some sexual harassment about that kind of thing. It's kind of disturbing, really. I've had that a couple times already. I don't know. I don't know either. So in the long run, all I ask is please keep subscribing to us here on DirtCat Auto Garage. We really want to try and hit 1,000 subscribers soon because it's a huge frustration factor. There's so much stuff that we want to work on, so many cars that'll last us for years on end to work on, you know, because I want to do some cars this year, but other things kind of got in the way, and see our collection grew because, well, a lot of these over here were actually very highly unexpected purchases this year. But, I mean, I got the rest of my dream cars. Got a few more to grab, if I can find them, which is a 68 Dodge Charger and 69 Chevrolet Malibu or a Chevelle Malibu. I don't know how you pronounce those because I either see Malibu or Chevelle Malibu or something. Has to be an SS. Don't care if it's an automatic or 4-speed, 3-speed. I just want a good old Chevrolet Malibu 69. Other than that, things are going pretty good. But I just want to keep, you know, asking for some help to reach 1,000 subscribers. And please be patient with us, because really I'm working on cars, but extremely slow. But real life is in the way right now. So there's not much else to really say. I'm just human, just like the rest of you. I got things to do. I got stuff to do. I'm an unpaid family caregiver. I still gotta, you know, tend to an elderly parent that needs my help on a daily basis. So I gotta multitask. I got other things, and you know, that's got my attention. So all in all, I'd like to thank all of those that have watched us and supported us, and hopefully to continue to support us and does understand these sort of things. We're trying. We're really trying. When things get going more in the future, then we'll bring out a, you know, a better show type of format, because this format here, I'm only going to use it to a certain more of an extent until we get a better camera, because this GoPro, I know it's going to be very limited because it's out in the sun. It's going to be overheating soon. So I shall end the video there. Again, please subscribe, help us out. Can't express that enough. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers, but yet so far we're less than 300 individuals away. We do have a Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Please follow us on there. I do have Instagram linked to Facebook, but for some reason the past couple of postings did not post up, so I gotta check the stupid settings. So I apologize if anyone has missed that. That's following us on our Facebook. I post up on TikTok and Instagram more, so if you want to mosey on over there, you can, and follow me. But if you don't want to follow me, just bookmark that page and just keep a watch out on a daily basis. I normally post up stuff morning and night, and in fact I'm going to do a small little snippet video over there on something once I clear the weeds out. So me and a half of Tucker, where he's at traveling right now, we wish you all adieu. So y'all have a good one now, take care and stay safe. This stuff isn't going to last forever. It's very interesting how these times have changed, especially changed everybody. But I better get this GoPro turned off before it beeps on me. So y'all have a good one now, take care and stay safe. See you later.